Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best professional vinyl cutters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cricut Explore Air 2 cutting machine. A machine that works perfectly for home use. This cuts and draws at twice the speed of the Cricut Explore Air, its predecessor. The machine comes with wireless Bluetooth technology, so you can send a job to it from a mobile device. It allows you to create and upload designs from your tablet, smartphone, or computer. The Smart Set dial makes it very easy to control the settings of the machine, and you can cut more than 100 types of materials with it, ranging from vinyl to leather. More than 3,000 ready-made projects are included, and you can easily add your own. Users who reviewed it raved about the double tool holder, which allows for cutting and scoring, or cutting and writing in a single step. The adjustable cutting and writing speeds make this machine a highly versatile one. As with other machines of this type, it has a maximum cutting size of 12 by 24 inches, which is more than enough for hobbyist crafters. Even though you can only use the machine with the proprietary Cricut Design Space software, you have the liberty to upload your own images and fonts and convert them for free, which is a plus for more advanced designers. An iOS app is available as well, so you can design on your phone or tablet before sending your creation wirelessly to the cutter. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cricut Maker Smart Cutting Machine. Featuring a superior rotary cutter that achieves an extra deep cut, this cutter offers you the freedom to navigate through a wide variety of projects including vinyl decals, paper crafts, and iron-ons, as well as dabble into leather crafts and sewing projects. The powerful knife blade, which is sold separately, slices thorough heavier materials and makes it easy to tackle sewing and quilting projects. Moreover, the adaptive tool system controls the blade direction automatically for enhanced precision. The machine comes with its own app, so you can lay out your project on your mobile device or computer, and upload your own designs for extra versatility. The Cricut Maker supports all common media formats and is easy to use, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Cloud-based storage is available, so you don't have to store your files in cartridges. This vinyl cutter comes with improved software, which requires a high-speed internet connection to work. Alternatively, you can use the iOS Design Space app if you prefer to work offline. The integrated Smart Dial tool makes it easy to select the right settings with just a couple of touches. This is one of the strongest machines out there, which is why we chose it as the best all-around vinyl cutter. Users mention how easy it is to program the machine and are happy with the gliding and rolling action of the improved rotary blade, which cuts through all kinds of materials accurately and quickly. Number 3. Our third best pick is Silhouette Portrait 3 electronic cutting tool. Looking quite similar to the original Silhouette Portrait, this machine is a good choice for personal use. It works just like a home printer and is compatible with your PC or Mac computer. Instead of printing, however, this electronic cutting machine uses a small blade to cut vinyl, paper, cardstock, fabric, and more. An excellent tool for DIY aficionados, this machine comes complete with an auto-adjustable blade and has the capacity to cut through more than 100 materials. This machine is one of the best out there for beginners, and users often mention how easy it is to set it up and use, thanks to the simple software. Owning it gives you 1 free month of access to the new shapes and designs available in the Silhouette online store. There is an additional fee after that. The small footprint of the machine makes it possible to tuck it away into a closet easily when not in use. This is a budget-friendly machine that makes an excellent choice for beginners, but make no mistake, it still cuts accurately and offers results that are very similar to those obtained with machines twice the price. It can handle designs of up to 10 feet long, but the maximum cutting width is 8 inches, something many users may find a bit restrictive. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Silhouette Cameo 4 with Bluetooth cutter. As for this one, a quick look at the included features will tell you why it's regarded as one of the best vinyl cutters for small businesses. It's Mac and PC compatible, and you can link to it either via USB 2.0 or Bluetooth. The Cameo 4 also comes with a built-in roll feeder that will continuously feed vinyl to the machine when needed. Additionally, the machine has been fitted with a dual motor and dual carriage system. The first carriage features incredible speed, while the second one is your go-to when you need more cutting power. Also, in the nitty-gritty of the dual carriage system, you find there is an ultra-smart system that detects the types of tools you're using. Once detected, the machine will prompt the Silhouette Studio software on the computer you're using to make the necessary adjustments. This should also have a bearing on the placement of the blades when cutting. That said, if you've previously used Silhouette Studio software, you'll need to update it to version 4.3.341 or higher for the device to work. Compared to Cameo 3 and other previous generations of the machine, this option is touted to have additional cutting force. This is true for the provided blades and even the optional accessories in the form of the rotary and craft blade. For this reason, the Cameo machine makes light work of thicker materials, and you won't see any degradation in the quality of the cut. The manufacturer attributes this achievement to the smart tangential technology that works in conjunction with the blades. Lastly, it's easier for the machine to adjust to the blade settings in light of the needs of each job. This is due to the new single-tap reset feature included that reduces the adjustment time significantly. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Brother's ScanNCut electronic DIY cutting machine. If you're good with a sketchbook and want something that can translate your hand-drawn designs into cuts, then this is the option for you on today's list. As we've implied, it comes with a built-in scanner that you can use to upload new and unique designs onto the machine. However, before you get to scanning, you might want to practice and get used to the machine's other features. For one, there are about 682 designs that come pre-built into the machine. That said, some of these are most useful only when making quilts. If you can download additional patterns and designs, you can also upload them to the machine using the available USB port. You can also manipulate the inbuilt designs and those you upload using the 5-inch touchscreen on this Brother machine. This puts it among the top options where versatility is concerned. The automatic material sensor technology also deserves praise. This is coupled with auto blade and auto blade holders that adjust to the thickness of the machine. While this does work most of the time, the manufacturer advises users to use a test material first before moving to the project. That way, they can catch potential problems before they ruin the vinyl. The machine also shines when cutting thicker materials such as cardstock, foam, felt, and more. However, like the other vinyl cutters, it has an upper limit which is 3 mm thickness. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.